Hi, I'm Tom Mullany, Digital Learning Coach at Gravelly Hill Middle School in Eflin, North Carolina. This video is about making different Google Classrooms for each unit in your class. So that's a great idea that I learned from an educator named Todd Nassif at an ed camp. I recently advocated doing this for some other teachers, and one teacher asked me, that might be a lot. I might get confused. Can I color code things? So here's what I would suggest. So this here would be a world history class. And notice I have my different units laid out. I have content specific images. Here's what I would suggest. Decide in advance what color each class will be. So for instance, my world history will be blue, but maybe if I'm teaching US history as a different planning or prep period, then I will do that one in red. The current unit can be in just the straight up color. And then when it's time to move on to the new unit, you make the new unit the color and you make the old unit the content specific image. So let me show you how that would work. So this is our current unit, World War II. We just had our test. And so now it is time to create a new class for my Cold War unit. So I'm going to create this class. I'll say Unit 8 Cold War, create. So there's my Cold War unit. Obviously, that's not what I want. So here in Google Classroom, I'll go to my theme. Stay away from the gallery, go to patterns, and go to a solid color. So like I said, anytime you do a new unit in American history, it could be this pink. I have an 8th grade class, it could be that, whatever it is. But I'm going to say my blue is my world history class. And so now I'll go back to home, go to my classes. And so up here, there's my current World Unit 8 Cold War. But now my World War II unit, I need to basically say, all right, guys, that's an old unit. Let me give it a content specific image. So what I'll do is I got this off of Wikimedia. Look how scary that is. That's Hitler at Munich. There's Chamberlain. But obviously when kids see this image, they'll know, oh yeah, that's the World War II unit because they're going to have Hitler staring at them. So there we go. I make a nice little image there. Go back here. I upload a photo. Select that photo from the computer. And it's nice how it gives you that little box there where you can select it, select class theme. And so now when I go back home to my classes, all of my old classes here have the content specific image, but my current unit has the solid blue color. So that would be one way of keeping that all straight with different units in Google Classroom.